On behalf of the Provincial Government of La Union, I extend my love to all mothers and those who are playing the role of a mother as we celebrate today, Mother's Day. With the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, we are once again reminded that you, our dear mothers, are our first teachers and role models. We thank you for your sacrifices in securing a better future for your children and ensuring that they are ready to face the world. Your sacrifices and all the pain you have endured to raise your children are proof of your unconditional love. Certainly, you contribute greatly in our nation building because through your care and guidance, you have molded every single person that serves as catalysts for change. The values you have instilled in them will serve as their guide in creating a better community for our families and the future generations. Kaprobinsyaan, alak da ito'y gundaway, nga agyaman kan mangipakita, iti kinapateg dagiti inna dito'y probinsya tayo. Mabalin nga adda dagiti inna, nga adayo kada tayo tatta, ngem kaya tayo, nga ipamuspusan, ama iparikna kadakwada, itinabuslon nga ayat tayo. Again, to all mothers in the province of La Union, happy Mother's Day. You are our wings that brought us to where we are today. And may the values you have imparted to us continue to guide us in creating a stronger La Union, a province worth living in. May God bless us all, and God bless our fair La Union.